As a manufacturer, you know that every square inch of your facility represents massive capital. But if you're depreciating your building the traditional way, you are quietly leaving six figures on the table. Most CPA firms depreciate commercial buildings over a painful 39-year straight-line schedule. That means your massive investment is trickling back to you in tiny, slow-dripping tax write-offs. But with an engineered cost segregation analysis, we look inside the walls. Our engineering-led team legally separates your building's structural shell from its specialized components, like reinforced concrete slabs, process piping, heavy-duty electrical drops, and specialized lighting. For manufacturing facilities, a jaw-dropping 40% to 60% of building costs can typically be reclassified into shorter 5, 7, or 15-year recovery periods. This immediately shifts your tax deductions from the distant future into right now. What are you missing by not doing this? Massive, immediate cash flow to reinvest in new equipment, cover operations, or expand your footprint. Better yet, you can capture years of missed deductions in a single tax year, without amending prior returns. Stop overpaying the IRS and unlock your trapped capital. Contact Antonio today to schedule a completely no-cost, no-obligation preliminary analysis. We'll show you exactly how much cash is hidden in your facility. Don't wait, reach out to Antonio right now.